On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic method that you can use to make money on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you don't need to invest any money before you make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a category of products that you want to promote. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. So if you want to promote products under the health and fitness, you are going to click right here. If you want under the e-business and e-marketing category, you are going to click right here, and you can see many other categories of digital products that you can promote. If you want, you can just click right here, all. Once you click on all, you can scroll down and then select any category of products that you want. You can see many of them. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be promoting products under the health and fitness, so just click on it right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So when you scroll down, you can see this is a digital product that you can promote. You can see Live Pure. The gravity score is very high, so it means the people who are promoting this product are getting sales. So if you promote it, you can equally get a sale. You can see the commission rate is $146.33. You can see it right here. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to be paid. Apart from this product, when you scroll down, you can see many other products that you can promote under this category. You can see a lot of them. So any of the products that you want, you can just click on it and then get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. You can see a whole lot of different digital products under the health and fitness. You can see a whole lot of them. The good part is that all these offers, their commission rate is above $100. So if you get up to 2 sales, you can earn more than $200 in a single day. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of them to promote. So once you get to know the offers, the next step is that you are going to select one of them so that you can promote it. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see the gravity score is also high, 206.82. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you are going to click on the product so that you can see the landing page before you promote it. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see this is the landing page. So this is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. You can see everything in the landing page. It has a nice landing page. You can see everything. So products that have nice landing pages, they are easy to promote because once you get people to click on your link, the information on the landing page can convince them to buy the product for you to earn money. You can see everything. You can see these are the affiliate guidelines. So what you have to do is that you have to read through all of them so that you can obey all the rules. If you disobey the rules, when you get a sale, you are not going to be paid. So make sure you read all these guidelines and then obey them so that when you get a sale, you can be paid. You can see everything. Make sure you read through everything before you promote the product. So now once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, you are going to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to click right here, create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to purchase the product through this link, you are going to be making money. So the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on this link and then purchase the product for you to earn money. So what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, aminoapps.com. On this website, you can get traffic without paying for anything. What you have to do is that you have to create an account and then post articles on this website. Once you post the articles, you are going to insert your links in the article so that you can get people to read the article and click on your link so that they can purchase the product through your unique affiliate link for you to get paid. If you want their app, you can just click right here on App Store so that you can download the app onto your phone. You can also download the app on Google Play Store. If you are using the web base, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign in, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you click on it, you can sign up with your phone number, you can sign up with your email, you can use your Facebook, you can use your Google accounts to create an account on this website. Once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you are going to find a community that you can join so that you'll be posting your articles. So you are going to click right here, explore. Once you click on it, you can find different communities that you can join. As you can see, these are communities that you can join. So what you have to do is that you have to search for the community that is related to the product that you are promoting. You can see these are the recommended communities, so if you want, you can join any of them. As I scroll down, you can see many communities. You can see this one right here, beginner artist. It has 70,300 members. So if you post an article onto this group, you are going to be getting many people to read your article and then click on your link. But our product is not about artists, it's about fitness. So you have to search for health and fitness communities so that you can join and then promote your link. So you can just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to be checking if you find any of the communities that is related to the product that you are promoting. You can see Miraculous. This group is one of the largest group on this platform. You can see the members is 500,000. So if you want, you can go on Clickbank and then select a product related to this community so that you can use the community to promote your affiliate link. You can see this one is also a large community, so you can check the group, go back on Clickbank, find a product that is related to the group. Once you find the product, you are going to be posting articles onto this community and then direct the readers to your affiliate link so that they can click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So just scroll down and then find the right one that you want. You can just scroll down to the bottom so that you can find the community. In this case, we are promoting a weight loss product, so we are going to come under the lifestyle. So under the lifestyle, you can just click right here, see all, so that you can see all the communities and a lifestyle. Once you click on it, you can see many communities and a lifestyle. You can see this one right here, plus size. That means those who are overweight. The members in the group is 13,491. You can see this one right here, fitness. The members is 33,740. You can see vegans. You can see the members are many. Positivity garden, you can see 7,100 members. So the trick is that you have to check the groups, find a group that has a lot of members. Once you find that group, you can go back on Clickbank, select a product based on that community and then write articles and post onto the community. Once you post your article, just insert your affiliate link in the article so that you can direct traffic to that link. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be using the fitness community, so just click on it. Once you click on it, if you are not a member, you are going to see something like join now. Click on it so that you can join the community. In this case, I'm a member of this group, that is why you are not seeing join now. If you are new, you are going to see something like join now. Just click on it so that you can join the group. Once you join the group, the next step is that you are going to post articles onto the group so that you can get many people to read your article and then click on your affiliate link. To post your articles, you are going to click right here, create post. So before you click on it, you are going to write the article and then come back so that we can begin the posting process. To write an article, you can use an AI bot to do everything for you. So you can just come on Google and then search for Google Bot AI. Just search for something like this. Once you search for it, you are going to click on the first link right here, try Bot, an AI experiment by Google. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, try Bot. Once you click on it, you are going to accept the terms and conditions. So just scroll down to the bottom of it. Once you scroll down, you are going to click right here, I agree. Once you click on I agree, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see the AI bot has opened. Google Bot AI works like ChatGPT. It can write quality articles for you based on your prompt. So what we have to do is that you have to type a prompt right here so that it can write a useful article for us. So you are going to come back on the landing page of the product. You can see the product is about weight loss. So you are going to ask Google Bot to write an article about how to lose weight. So you can just come back, type your prompt right here, write 5 ways to lose weight fast with exercise. Write 5 ways to lose weight fast with exercise, something like this. We are using a fitness group, so we are going to include something like exercise. Once you write your prompt, the next step is that you are going to click right here, submit, so that it can write the article for you. You can see it is spinning. It's going to generate a very useful article for us. As you can see, this is the article. You can see everything. You can see this is the article. So what you have to do is that you have to copy this article and then paste it on Amino Apps. So just come back on Amino Apps. Once you come back, you are going to click right here, create post. Once you click on create post, you are going to see something like this. You can see title. This is where you are going to paste the title of your article. So just come back on Bat AI and then highlight and copy your title. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that we are going to paste the rest of the article right here. So before you paste the article, what we have to do is that we have to add an image so that our article will be appealing to the reader. So just click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, you can see you can insert an image, you can insert a YouTube video. In this case, we are going to insert an image. So you are going to come on Google and then search for this website, pexels.com. Just search for pexels.com. Once you search for pexels.com, click on the first website right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is the website. Pexels.com is a free website that you can find free images to download and then use them for anything. There's not going to be any copyright strike against you. All the images here, they are relatively free, so you can use them for anything that you want. In this case, we want a weight loss image, so just type weight loss right here. Type weight loss. Once you type it, you are going to search and you can see these are images that you can download and then use them for anything. You can see these are free weight loss images. You can see everything. We are going to use the one that has exercise, so you can see many of them. So any of them that you want, you can download it. In this case, we are going to be using this one, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, free download. As you can see, it is downloading, so you are going to wait for it to download. Once you download the image, you are going to come back and then click right here, add an image. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click right here, open, so that the image can be uploaded. As you can see, it's uploading, so you are going to wait for it to upload. As you can see, this is the image. The next step is that you are going to paste your text right here. So just go back on Bat AI. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and then copy everything. Just highlight and copy your article. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight, just click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your article right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the preview of your article. You can see this is the preview of your article. You can see everything in the article. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to insert our affiliate link in this article, so that when people read the article, they can click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product for us to make money. You can insert your affiliate link in any part of the articles. You can select certain words, you can write your call to actions and then insert your affiliate link. In this case, I'm going to be selecting these words. You can see losing weight. What you have to do is that you have to come back on Clickbank, click on copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to highlight the words that you want to insert your affiliate link. Once you highlight it, you can see add a link. Click on it and then paste your affiliate link right here. Paste it. Once you paste it, you are going to press enter. As you can see, your affiliate link has been inserted right here. Apart from that, you can scroll down and then type a call to action. So just scroll down right here, type a simple call to action. Click here to learn more about weight loss, something like this. So you can just type a simple call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on add a link. Once you click on add a link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Press enter. As you can see, that has been done. Your link has been inserted right here. You can go through the article and then insert your link as many as you want. Once you insert your link, the next step is that you are going to publish your article. You can click right here, publish, so that your article can go live on this platform. So just click on it, publish. Once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So just wait for it. Within some few minutes, your article is going to be published. You are going to see something like this. Just be patient and wait for it. It will load and then publish your article onto the platform. As you can see, within a few seconds, your article has been posted onto the group. You can see a moment ago, your article has been published onto the group. You can see right here, 3 members are online. So when you scroll down, you can see everything in your article. You can see the affiliate link right here. When you scroll down, you can see your affiliate link is also right here. If you want, you can share it on other social media platforms, so that you can get many people to read your article and then click on your call to action, so that they can purchase the product through your affiliate link. So make sure you post many articles onto this platform, so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link without paying for anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.